Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile invisible enemies glitch? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once I've done that, right here, make sure to go under downloads. So right here, there is downloads. So simply select it, and now make sure all of your maps and outfits are well downloaded. If it's not, sometimes this could cause an error as well. So next thing, just simply clear out your cache. So what you can do is simply open up your PUBG Mobile's app settings, select here. Now once the app setting opens, on the bottom right side you should see clear data. Just simply select clear data and then select clear cache. Now once selected, okay, any bad or temporary files should be removed, which should remove any problems, which also includes invisible enemies. Now make sure you also use smoother graphics with better FPS, and if you're using GFX tools or mods, stop it. This might also be the cause of these invisible enemies. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Make sure to re-log in after these steps and enemies should appear normally again. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.